The data gathered pointed towards middle-income and mid-career individuals feeling the most financial pressure. The highest withdrawal activity came from members with pensionable salaries between 60,000 and 240,000 rands per year, and those aged between 31 and 51 years old. People in their 30s and 40s made up the bulk of claimants, accounting for 38 and 37% of payments respectively. Liberty says 59% of active members have not touched their savings pot.
The level of member behaviour changes that we've seen, and in terms of that, we saw a lot of people arriving at the start of two-pot. In fact, the Liberty experience was that 45% of our claims that we've received so far were just in the first 3 months, and 45% of that followed in the following 9 months. What's interesting is that of our active membership, only 40% have claimed so far, which means that the other 60%, or 3 out of 5 members, have not yet claimed, which means they're either saving for a rainy day to make their claim, or holding on to that money all the way to retirement.
A significant portion of the withdrawn funds went towards settling outstanding debt. A spike in used car registration was noted, suggesting that some used the cash for asset deposits while others covered essential goods. Liberty also reported a more than tenfold increase in the number of members preserving their retirement benefits and a 75% increase in the total amount of benefits being preserved.
Which means that we're seeing far more money into the system that is being put aside for retirement claims at a later stage. And that was a key component of the system. We're very, very excited to see how that unfolds in the coming years, and we'll continue to model that as probably the key focus going forward for us, as that is what's going to truly improve retirement outcomes for members, and truly drive the retirement sector in terms of the amount saved and therefore the amount available for investment into infrastructure projects, into various other projects that otherwise would have been limited in scale without this two-pot system.
Liberty's report shows that of the claims received, 83% were paid successfully, while 16% of the claims were declined. Reasons for declined claims include claim values exceeding available balances, insufficient balances, or duplicate claims being received. Diabo Seto, SABC News, Johannesburg.